This year, in 2021, we are celebrating ABB's 130 years of writing the future of mining. Across the years, we developed the knowledge to further understand the importance of our equipment at the different mining processes. Our grinding mill powertrain portfolio, for instance a gearless mill drive known as GMD, represents a critical technology asset which guarantees a continuous and reliable production for our customers. 10 years ago, we initiated a pioneering path in our grinding digitalization journey, in which we have been developing digital products that allows us to remotely monitor and manage our fleet. Now, we are taking another step further and introducing our new ABB Ability Predictive Maintenance for grinding solution. What is new compared to the existing solution? We have migrated to a cloud-based platform which allows us to enhance and innovate our platform features, giving more flexibility and reliability to our customers. This upgrade means, on the one hand, improved interfaces and user experience for our customers so that they can decide which KPIs are essential for the daily operation. This allows operations to have access to information from anywhere in the world through a simple and secure personal connection. On the other hand, since we understand the value of making decisions based on real-time data, algorithms and trend analytics have been improved. Thanks to this enhancement, we support our customers with a predictive tool that facilitates quick decision-making by detecting fluctuations and variation in real time during their operations. In today's world, whether it be checking our health or catching up on the news, we utilize our mobile devices more and more. The ABB Ability Predictive Maintenance for grinding includes a brand new mobile application that allows real-time notifications of your fleet. With a simple overview on your device, you know the status of your fleet, receive alarms when needed, and know how your mills are performing at your fingertips at any time and any place. Finally, ABB Ability Predictive Maintenance for grinding represents the next generation of collaborative products, maximizing the availability of your assets and supporting you in a safe and reliable way. Let's continue writing the future of mining together.